Kogi state government has called on women across the 3 senatorial districts to pay attention to their health and to grab the opportunity the government has provided through the health insurance scheme. The government, through the Commissioner for Women Affairs and Social Development, Fatima Kabir Buba, during an event, GYB policy on women transformation in line with Beijing affirmative action and the launching of women advocacy for social health insurance was held in Government House, Lokoja. Fatima said the insurance scheme will provide quality health medical care to women and families at less or no cost.
The Executive Governor of Kogi State has taken the lead across the country in the empowerment of women. Our own governor has not only promoted women representation, but has also encouraged women active participation in power structures and in decision-making.
Kogi State Governor Yahya Bello, represented by the Secretary to the State Government, Ayo Adefolashade, called on women to pay adequate attention to their health.
It is only when we are healthy that we can take care of our children and also take care of everybody around us. Let's not pretend that we are strong. In a situation that I'm strong. Let it not be that all of a sudden someone will die. Please, let us be conscious and take care of ourselves.
The head of service, Anna Odio, and other government officials commended the state governor for signing into law the insurance scheme, which they described the best that has happened to the people of Kogi State.
The men folk believe that we are weak physically, we are weak financially, we are weak politically. And they always try to stampede us out of every arena, be it political or otherwise, in order to dominate everywhere. That is the common thing in our nation. But His Excellency Alhaji Adoda Bello is changing that mentality by force, by laying a good example, by setting the pace of uplifting women, that it will not stop in Kogi State, but it will cut across the nation.
What is happening to the health sector? 2, what is happening to education? 3, what is happening to poverty? 4, what is happening to infrastructure? If you are able to address these 4 points or answer these questions, you are in development. And these are the areas His Excellency is looking at. And of course, all these sectors affect the women. Let us be grateful to this, our Excellency.
I encourage you to pay the token of 15,000 naira to that particular health insurance so that you can enjoy throughout the year. I think it's a very good one. I appreciate His Excellency and the health sector that put this thing together to make it work.
If you don't have a good health, you can't go to school. If you don't have a good health, in fact, you become a ghost of yourself. So I thank the state government, most especially the office of the Ministry of Women Affairs for this program.
As we are going back to our various homes, let all the women in Kogi know that the health assurance is now on ground for them.
I want to use this medium to thank the state government in recognition of the activity of women, particularly to thank this regime of GYB for according women that respect and recognition that they deserve.
We are saying balance, not that we want to rub shoulders with men, but we are saying they should give us opportunity to excel too, to show our potentials.
During the inaugural symposium on GYB policy on women transformation in line with Beijing affirmative action, the discussants, Khadijat Abubakar Isa, a broadcaster, and the senior special assistant to the Kogi State Governor on Electronic Media, Avoy Nwogo, commended the administration of Yahya Bello to have done well in all areas considered at the 4th Forum World Conference held in 1995 in Beijing. They called for more participation of women in politics, urged them to go for higher electoral positions come 2023 and 2024.
Most of these people who've been able to find their way in the corridor of power, do you think the capacity is enough that will translate eventually to them replicating that capacity to the next generation of leaders that will occupy the seat of office where they are?
In my faith, and that's what Allah said, and the Prophet also portrayed that it is not, we are equal, man and woman. The only difference between us is just the biological makeup. We can do a lot if given the chance. The security agencies have to be, firm by, prosecuting those people, bringing them to book, and of course having justice for women.
We're privileged to have the governor at such a time as this, who has decided that since the creation of the state, no woman is opportune to be appointed to man any sensitive position. And when he came, the first step he took was to give us, first in history, the SSG. And this woman delivered in the first tenure. And coming to the second tenure, Governor still picked her. Our challenge now to be bold to come out.
The Secretary to the State Health Insurance Agency emphasized why it is important for women to partner with the state government to spread the good news of health insurance scheme to every person in the state.
According to the National Demographic Health Survey 2018, 98% of women does not have access to health insurance. This is alarming. 98% of population of women in Nigeria, they don't have access to health insurance. That means their health is in their hand. And we know the position of women. Some of them are not empowered. Some of them are poor. Some of them cannot even make health decision on their own. They have to wait for their husband. Every opportunity accrued to a man should also be given to a woman.
The event, which was held in commemoration of Kogi State at 30 years, had commissioners, all 21 vice chairpersons, Director General Pension Commission, Managing Director and CEO KEDA, and other government functionaries in attendance. Kogi State government was rated above 35% of Beijing affirmative action of gender equality amongst all concerns areas listed in the communique released after the conference in Beijing, China. Khadijat Mohammed, reporting for MLC TV.